Welcome to Kenny's service shop. Today we're working on 2015 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 V8. This vehicle comes with check engine light for fuel issue. So like I said, this vehicle on the left, and also they replaced the fuel pump. Complete fuel pump sending unit been replaced. Still come back for the check engine light coat for fuel. For fuel pump, a low flow performance. So after I diagnosed this, I put my scan tools on it. So this is information I will share it with you. So you got a PO code, no, P2635. This is on the scan tool. See, fuel pump, a low flow performance. So this is the code exactly come out on my scan tools. I wrote it down, and you can check it with any regular OBD2 scan tools. Just get the code. So just diagnose it step by step. I did find the problem. So like I said, this has brand new fuel pump. So that's what they do. Usually they change the fuel pump first step, but this is, I'm gonna make it easy for next step. Anybody have this problem. So this is on the left side. What's the driver's side? Right here. You go up in the left, or you can jack it up. See the ABS pump? This is the ABS pump. Right next to ABS pump, this is the sensor. This is a, what do you call it? This is a fuel pressure sensor. So there's another sensor on the fuel pump with the sender unit has been replaced. The pump replaced, the problem is still same. So it's right here. I'm just gonna it's right here. Okay, so it's easy to remove. Just be very patient. So that's why you need a wrench like this. See, 5/8 or 16 millimeter, something like this, to remove this sensor. And I'm just gonna patiently. This is the wire. So the wire, you just squeeze the wire. You squeeze the wire here. You take it out. There's a little clip, white clip. I took it out. Get in my way. So I already. This is the. I already lose this. See this here? I already lose the sensor. So take the sensor out. See, you got plenty of room to do this job. There you go. Okay. So I am ready. I already got a sensor for it. Okay. This is the old sensor. And I got a new sensor. Right from Chevy dealer. I'm gonna share the part number. Okay. This is the part number. Part number is 1351646, and it's gonna show you the prices too. Basically, if you have a shop or something, gonna cost you. This is much money, around $76. Okay, so we're gonna take this out. There's the new sensor. We're gonna take it out. See the old one? This is the old one. It's go bad from inside. Look, I'm sure it's original. So while you're doing this, when you put it back or you take it out, please check the wire harness. Make sure the wire is not broken. So see, this is the new one. So brand new one. So this is the only age thing, you know. So we're gonna go in right back in there. Okay, so gonna better do. So here you go. So you can just put your hand from here. Okay, so make sure just tie it by hand all the way. Then you tie it with the wrench, because there you go. It's easy. Make sure it goes on the right thread, because you don't want to go sideways. You ruin the fuel line. Is going to be a big job, so we don't want to do that. So this is all the way in by my hand. So I have the wrench here. I'm not going to go crazy, so it's just hand tight. Okay. Okay. We cannot leave it loose, because the fuel is gonna leak. Okay. This is great. I tied it good. So now, like I said, I'm gonna check the harness. So the harness wire. So let me see the harness. See the wires. Make sure nothing's broken. Just see if you can. If it's broken, we can see it. But so far, look good. Okay. So far, look good. Hopefully, it's good. See the wire, all three of them. Okay. So we're gonna go in. See, it's gonna be a click. Look. You hear the click? So all set. This vehicle, like you say, now the vehicle is on. I get my scan tools here. Okay. Yeah, so here's the check engine light. Still on, okay? So I get my scan tools on there. So we already cleared. We just need a restart code, so we're gonna clear it up. So you can use any OBD2 regular scan tools. This is like a police package too, this vehicle. So okay. So we're gonna clear the code. It is the trouble code. Are you sure? Yes. See. So erase done. Check engine light is gone. So off. Lights on. The key is on. So no more lights. It's all set. It's RPM 2000. So now it's all set. Now I gotta put some gas in it and drive it up. So I gotta put some gas in this and then drive it. Thank you for watching Kenny's shop. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. I can make more video to help and fix your own vehicle in your driveway. So I'm gonna just say it's easy peasy, very easy. You can do it just if you have patience. Follow step by step. You can fix it. So like you said, you have a lot of vehicles here. We work on all vehicles, European, Japanese, domestic, Chevy, all kind of vehicles. So, and please watch the video if you need my help. And I hope this video will be helpful for everyone, any Chevy owner. So include Chevy Silverado, Suburban. I'm sure it's like the same chassis, same style. Thank you. Subscribe, please.